Assalomu alaykum. Demak, 2025-26 o'quv yilida umumta'lim fanlari bo'yicha asosiy olimpiadaning 3-viloyat bosqichi ingliz tilidan 9-sinf uchun mo'ljallangan test topshiriqlari izohlarini ko'rib chiqamiz. Demak, birinchi bo'limimiz tinglab tushunish listening part bo'ladi. Demak, bu qism to'rtta qismni o'z ichiga oladi. Demak, part 1, part 2, part 3 va part 4. Demak, in part 1 for questions 1 to 10, you will hear 10 short announcements. For each question, choose the correct answer A, B, or C. You will hear each announcement twice. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Demak, ushbu topshiriqda 10 ta qisqa e'lonlar eshittiriladi va ushbu e'lonlar asosida tuzilgan savollarga quyidagi variantlardan birini mosini qo'yib chiqishimiz kerak. Demak, izohlar uchun ushbu listening topshiriqlarini audio skriptlar bilan ko'rib chiqamiz. Demak, birinchi test topshirig'imiz what time will the school trip bus leave? Soat nechada sayohatga ketadigan maktab avtobusi jo'naydi? Demak, transcript attention please. The bus for the school trip will leave later than planned. It won't go at 8 o'clock and not at 8:15 either. The new time is 8:30 deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda to'g'ri javob 8:30, 8:30 berilgan A variantida va o'z-o'zidan it won't go at 8 o'clock, not at 8:15 either degan gaplarimiz demak B va C javoblarini rad etadi. Demak, birinchi test topshirig'imiz javobi A varianti bo'ladi, 8:30. Ikkinchi test topshirig'imizda demak savol why will the library close early today? Nega bugun kutubxona vaqtga yopiladi? Demak, qisqa so'zlar orqali sabablar keltirilgan. Transcript the library will close early today. Some thought it was because a class used the room yesterday, but that's not true. It's also not closing because of the rain. Actually, it's closing due to the cleaning. Demak, ushbu aniq ko'rsatilganki, demak, asosiy sababi cleaning, ya'ni tozalash ishlari sababli. Demak, rain plus A va B variantlari bu yerda demak transkriptda rad etilgan. Demak, ikkinchi test topshirig'imiz javobi C bo'ldi. Uchinchi test topshirig'imizda demak where will table tennis practice take place deyilgan. Demak, stol tennisi qayerda bo'lib o'tadi bugun degan ma'noda. Demak, on the field, in the gym, in the classroom degan variantlar berilgan. Demak, transcript the table tennis practice has moved indoors. Some players expected it on the field because the sun dried the part of it this morning, but it is still too wet. Demak, yomg'ir yog'ganligi sabablimi? Demak, table tennis musobaqasi on field so'z etib o'tilgan, lekin yomg'ir yog'ganligini sababi chunki quyosh quritdi degan ma'noda, lekin hali ham qo'l deb aytilmoqda. Demak, ko'chada o'tkazilmaydi on the field. Training will be in the gym. Demak, aniq shunda gym haqida aytilyapti, not in the classroom as some students thought. Demak, boshqa studentlar o'ylagani kabi u classroomda emas deyilyapti. Demak, to'g'ri javob 3-test topshirig'imizda B bo'ladi. Savol where should students put their writing homework? On the desk, in the books, in the library. Writing homework must be handed in by Friday morning. Put it in the box outside the English room, not in the library. Some students left work on their teacher's desk last week, but that won't be collected. Demak, to'g'ri javob bu yerda in the box outside the English room deyilgan, not in the library deb C javobi rad etilgan. Left on the teacher's work won't be collected. A varianti ham rad etilgan. Demak, 4-chi test topshirig'imizda to'g'ri javob B bo'ladi. 5-chi savol what lost item was found in the playground? Someone also reported a lost bag, but only a blue water bottle was found in the playground. Nothing else like a key was found. Demak, to'g'ri javob 5-chi savolga A varianti bo'ladi, bottle. B va C variantlari demak keyingi o'rinlarda rad etilgan, like nothing else like a key was found. C varianti rad etildi. Someone also reported a lost bag, but only deyilgan. Demak, bag topilmagan. Beshinchi test topshirig'imizga to'g'ri javob A bo'ldi. Oltinchi savol. Demak, when will the music lesson start today? 1:30, 2 o'clock, 2:30. Demak, today's music lesson has a new time. Some students still think it is 1:30 because of last week's timetable. It now starts at 2 o'clock, not 2:30 deyilgan. Demak, not 2:30 C varianti rad etildi. 1:30 ya'ni at 1:30 degan javobimiz ham rad etildi. To'g'ri javob demak 2 o'clock bo'ldi. 6-chi test topshirig'imizda to'g'ri javob B bo'ldi. 7-chi savolda what kind of weather is expected this afternoon? Weather report says it might be sunny because the morning was bright. Sunshine won't return until evening. Expect strong wind this afternoon. There will be no rain. The clouds look dark deyilgan, ya'ni clouds look dark. Demak, to'g'ri javob 7-chi savolda windy bo'ladi. Demak, expect strong wind this afternoon deyilgani uchun sunshine won't return demak B varianti rad etildi. Demak, rainy deyilgani ham there will be no rain deb A varianti ham rad etildi. 7-chi savolda to'g'ri javob C bo'ldi. 8-chi savol. What food will students have in today's menu? There is a change in today's menu. Some expected rice and vegetables because it appeared on last week's list, but today's meal is chicken soup. Salad and bread will be served another day. Yeah? Demak, rice and vegetables appeared last week. Bu narsa o'tgan hafta bo'lgan. Chicken soup to'g'ri javob. Demak, will be served another day. Demak, today's menu chicken soup. 8-chi savolga to'g'ri javob demak A varianti chicken soup bo'ldi. B va C variantlari rad etildi. 9-chi savolda computer room demak when will computer room open again? Demak, morning, afternoon, evening. The computer room will be closed tomorrow morning for repairs. It will open in the afternoon, not in the evening. Some thought it might open in the morning because the technician works fast. But it won't deyilgan. Demak, bu ertalab bo'lishi mumkin bo'lgan variant rad etildi. Afternoon deb to'g'ri javob aytildi. C variantidagi demak evening not in the evening deya C varianti rad etildi. 9-chi savolda demak to'g'ri javob B varianti bo'ldi. 10-chi savolimiz when will the reading club meet today? Before school, during lunch, after school. Demak, some came before school last week because of wrong poster that was fixed. Reading club meets after school today, which means there is no meeting during the lunch hours. Demak, reading club before school demak o'tgan safar xato deb aytildi bu. Demak, during lunch ham demak no meeting deyildi. Demak, 10-chi savolimizda to'g'ri javob after school C varianti bo'ldi. Listening part 2 for questions 11 to 14 you will hear 4 short conversations. For each question there are 3 pictures. Choose the correct answer A, B or C deyilgan. Demak, 11-14 test topshiriqlarimiz 4 qisqa suhbatlashtiriladi va har bitta suhbat uchun savol va javoblarda savollarga demak masalalardan birini tanlashlari kerak bo'ladi. Demak, savollar izohi uchun transkriptdan ko'rib chiqamiz. Which jacket does the Lisa decide to buy deyilgan. Demak, A varianti the one with a fur hood looks really warm but it's too heavy. Have it overheat just walking to work deyilgan. Demak, A varianti rad etildi. Those shiny jacket with all those shiny zippers. Plus it's far too expensive for what it is. Bu ham rad etildi. Demak, C varianti that lace with the long one with a belt deyilgan. Demak, bu bilan taqdim etilganda I will go with that one. It may not stand out but I will probably wear it more than any of the others here. Demak, B varianti tanlandi. Demak, 11-chi test topshirig'imiz javobi B bo'ldi. 12-chi savolimizda what will Sarah have for dinner deyilgan. I was craving pasta deyilgan tonight but we are out of tomato sauce deya variant rad etildi. Let's have just pizza again. I can grab some pizza 2 nights in a row deya demak pizza variant ham rad etildi. I will just make vegetable soup. Maybe some tea with lemon. It's lighter and actually healthier deya demak Sarah demak to'g'ri javob 12-chi test topshirig'ida Supde C varianti to'g'ri bo'ldi. 13-chi savolimizda What will Anna and Leo do this afternoon deyilgan. Demak, ya'ni variantlarda demak swimming. I was actually looking forward to swimming deya aytib o'tildi. Lekin bu variantlar rad etilgan. Superhero movie is gone. Demak, biletlar qolmadi deya bu ham demak kino varianti ham A varianti rad etildi. Demak, to'g'ri javob Why don't we rent a couple of bikes, ride along the river and grab ice cream after deya demak C varianti tanlandi. Demak, 13-chi test topshirig'imizda to'g'ri javob C bo'ldi. 14-chi savolimizda Where will Emma and her friends go this weekend deyilgan. Demak, qayerga borishadi? We were thinking of a weekend at the beach deb tanlandi. But all hotels near the coast are fully booked, even the expensive ones there. Demak, beach varianti rad etildi. Food festival deb etildi. Too tempting. It will be packed and noisy. Demak, bu variant ham rad etildi. Besides, we haven't been camping since spring deya. Demak, camping varianti tanlandi. Demak, go hiking. To'g'ri javob demak 14-chi savolimizga B varianti bo'ldi. Part 3 of the listening questions. For questions 15 to 20, you will hear a short news report. For each question, decide if the statement is true or false. Demak, 15-20 savolida berilgan demak news report yangiliklar asosida tuzilgan ushbu gaplardan qaysi biri true yoki falseligini eshitib qo'yishlar kerak bo'ladi. Agar true bo'lsa A, false bo'lsa B varianti tanlanadi. Demak, listening izohlari bo'yicha 15-savolni ko'rib chiqamiz. London will build a new cycle tracks beside the Thames deyilgan, ya'ni good evening. So in London, new cycle tracks will soon appear along the River Thames. The city council has approved the plan to make traveling safer for cyclists and pedestrians. Construction will begin next month. So as you can see, number 15 here it says it will soon appear. Demak, yaqin orada bu narsa paydo bo'ladi deb aytiladi. Demak, construction will begin next month deya. Demak, keyingi futureda bo'linishini will build deb qo'yiladi. Shuning uchun bu javobimiz to'g'ri hisoblanadi. Demak, 15-chi test topshirig'imizda to'g'ri javob A bo'ladi. 16-chi gapimizda demak Manchester's new museum is about ancient history deyilgan. In Manchester, a new music museum has opened celebrating the city's rich and pop and rock music deyilgan. Demak, tarixiy muzey emas, musiqaga bag'ishlangan muzey hisoblangani uchun demak bu gapimiz noto'g'ri hisoblanadi va 16-chi test topshirig'imizga B deb variant tanlaymiz. Keyingisida the flooding in Bristol caused all main roads deyilgan. In Bristol, heavy rainfall at the weekend caused minor flooding in some streets. All main roads have remained open deyilgan. Demak, ya'ni ochiq qoladi deyilgan. Bu o'z-o'zidan closed all main roads degan gapimizni teskarisi hisoblanadi va shuning uchun bu 17-savolimizga to'g'ri javob demak B varianti tanlanadi xato deya. 18-chi tree planting in Edinburgh will take place next year deyilgan, ya'ni keyingi yil bo'lib o'tadi daraxt ekish protsessi. Demak, bu javobimiz demak in Edinburgh. In Edinburgh, the volunteers are getting ready for a big tree planting project in the city's largest park. This year, they are choosing the places for the new trees and preparing the ground deyilgan. Demak, this year they are preparing the ground, but they are not planting. So planting will take place next year. Demak, next year deganimiz uchun demak bu javobimiz 18-test topshirig'imiz javobi A to'g'ri bo'ladi. 20 the debating competition was won by St. David's High School deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda meanwhile in Cardiff students from several schools took part in national debating competition. The winners were from St. David's High School deyilgan. Demak, bu 19-test topshirig'imiz javobi ham demak true. Bu degani A bo'lish kerak. Keyingi 20-gapimizda Brighton Zoo has had many sea lion births this year deyilgan. Demak, bu gapimizda and finally in Brighton, local zoo has welcomed a baby sea lion, the first born in more than 10 years deyilgan. Ya'ni bu birinchi many sea lion births emas, ya'ni bu birinchi 10 yilda endi birinchi bo'lgan o'sha dengiz kerini bolasi hisoblangani uchun demak 20-chi test topshirig'imizda to'g'ri javob demak B bo'ldi. Part 4 of the listening test. For questions 21 to 30, you will hear a student talking about a weekend trip to the mountains. Listen carefully and choose correct answer A, B or C for each question deyilgan. Ya'ni 21-30 test topshirig'imizda weekend trip to the mountains, ya'ni tog'ga bo'lgan sayohat haqida listening eshittiriladi va berilgan savollarga 3 variantdan birini javob sifatida tanlashlari kerak bo'ladi. Demak, listeningni izohlarini ko'rish uchun demak transkriptga qaraymiz. First question, where did the speaker go last weekend deyilgan. Ya'ni 21-savolimizda demak javobida hi everyone, last weekend I went on a short trip to the mountains with my family deyilgan. Demak, bu yerda to'g'ri javob 21-test topshirig'imizga mountain bo'ladi. The city zoo deb aytilgan javob bor. While we even thought about visiting city zoo, but the weather near the coast looked cloudy, so we changed our plan at the last minute there. Demak, bu variant rad etildi. 22-test topshirig'imizda who went with the speaker deyilgan. Demak, to'g'ri javob family bo'ladi. With my family deya ta'kidlangan edi. Demak, 23-test topshirig'imizda how did they travel there deyilgan. My dad suggested taking the bus, even though my brother preferred the train. My mother mentioned going by car. Stopped at the cafe on the way. The bus turned out cheaper and faster, so that's what we chose deyilgan. Ya'ni uchta variant ham aytib o'tilgan, lekin to'g'rirog'i bus deya, the bus turned out cheaper, faster deya ta'kidlangan va that's what we chose deya bu yana to'g'riligi aytib o'tilgan. Demak, 23-test topshirig'imizda to'g'ri javob by bus, ya'ni A bo'ldi. 24-savolimiz how long did the trip take deyilgan. It took about 2 hours to reach the campsite. Some websites said the trip could take 3 hours on weekends, while my dad suggested just one. But the traffic was light, so 2 hours was right deyilgan. Demak, 3 variant ham bu yerda aytib o'tildi, lekin to'g'ri javob 2 hours bo'ldi. Demak, boshida ham oxirida ham demak bu variant ta'kidlandi. 24-savolimizga javob demak C varianti 2 hours bo'ldi. 25-savolimiz what was the weather like when they arrived deyilgan. Demak, when we arrived the air was fresh and cool, not hot and sunny like in the city or windy as we appeared on the mountain road deyiladi. Demak, to'g'ri javob ob-havo cool and fresh demak B javobi to'g'ri keladi. Windy va hot and sunny javoblari not deya rad etildi. Demak, 25-savolimiz to'g'ri javobi B bo'ldi. 26-savolda what problem did they have later deyilgan. Demak, ular the rain didn't last long. It was only light rain, nothing like a heavy shower forecast on the radio or the strong wind we worried about the night before. By the evening, the sky was clear again deyiladi. Demak, ular keyinroq demak light rain bo'lgan. Demak, heavy rain, strong wind degan javoblarimiz demak o'z-o'zidan keyingi qatorlarda rad etildi. Demak, 26-savolimizga javob B bo'ldi. 27-savolimiz what did they cook for dinner deyilgan. Demak, we cooked dinner outside, some pasta and soup. Since that was easy, my mom first wanted to make a barbecue, but we have forgotten charcoal. My sister offered to prepare sandwiches, yet everyone preferred something warm deyilgan. Demak, bu yerda pasta and soup varianti tanlangan. Barbecue va sandwiches aytib o'tilgan bo'lsa ham, bu o'z-o'zi o'rnida ba'zi bir sabablarga ko'ra bu variant demak rad etildi. Demak, 27-test topshirig'imiz javobi A bo'ldi. 28-savol what did they do after dinner deyilgan. Demak, after dinner we sat near a fire, told stories, looked at the stars. My brother wanted to play card games. My dad thought we should sleep early for the hike, but the stories were too interesting to miss deyilgan. Demak, bu yerda demak 3 ta variant ham aytib o'tilgan, lekin playing card games my brother wanted sleep early degan variantimiz bor. Ya'ni bu ish harakati aniq qilinmagan, lekin aytib o'tilgan yoki xohlangan. Shuning uchun 28-savolimizga to'g'ri javob. Demak, C varianti told stories bo'ladi va bu gapning oxirida ham but the stories were too interesting to miss deya ta'kidlandi. 29-savolimizda what was the best part of the trip deyilgan. Demak, bu yerda A the food, the view from the top and the bus ride deya javoblar berilgan. The next morning we went hiking. My sister got tired after half an hour, but we all reached the top. The view from the top was amazing. We could see the whole valley below. We enjoyed the food. Even the bus ride was fun. But the view was definitely the best part of the trip deyilgan. Demak, to'g'ri javob 29-savolimizga B varianti bo'ladi. O'z o'rnida A va C variantlari aytib o'tildi, lekin eng the best part deya demak B varianti, ya'ni the view from the top varianti ta'kidlandi. Demak, 29-savolimiz javobi B. 30-savolimizda what unexpected thing happened on the way back deyilgan. The bus broke down, lost luggage and missed the bus deyilgan. Ya'ni bu variantlarni ko'rib chiqamiz. The only way on the way back, the bus broke down for about 10 minutes. Only surprise of the weekend, we didn't lose any luggage. We certainly didn't miss the bus. So we just laughed and waited while the driver fixed it deyilgan. Demak, 3 ta variant ham aytib o'tilgan, lekin we didn't deya gapning avvalida bu variantlar rad etildi. Demak, 30-savolimizga to'g'ri javob A varianti bo'ldi. So this is the reading part of the test. Part 1. Students should read descriptions of 8 travel and adventure camps from 1 to 8, and then they should read the statements A to I to match the camp texts and each description, and they should decide which camp matches each description. Each statement can be used only once, and there is one extra statement that they do not need to use. Demak, bu readingimizni birinchi partida 8 ta tekstlar berilgan, ya'ni bu oromgohlar, sayohat uchun mo'ljallangan oromgohlardan mosini va variantlarigacha bo'lgan gaplarga moslashtirib chiqishlari kerak bo'ladi. Demak, bu matching task javoblarini qo'yganda, demak, bitta ortiqcha statement bo'ladi, ishlatilmaydigan va each statement can be used only once, faqat bir marta ishlatiladi. Demak, savol javoblarimizga to'g'ri keladigan bo'lsak, demak, B variantida demak, birinchi tekstimizga to'g'ri keladi. Mountain Challenge Camp. Demak, you enjoy hiking and want to practice outdoor safety deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda tekstdagi aytib o'tilgan spend 5 days in the mountains learning to hike safety and read maps deyilgan joylari. Demak, B variantimizni to'g'riligini tasdiqlaydi. Demak, birinchi savolimizga javob B variantida yoziladi. Demak, ikkinchi savolimizga Eco Explorer, ya'ni ikkinchi tekstimizdan kelib chiqqan holatda C statement tanlandi. Ya'ni you would like to collect data and design an environmental project deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda tekst yozilgan you will test the river water, collect beach plastic, record environmental data and team design short eco projects deyilgan. Ya'ni bu so'zlar o'z-o'zidan ta'kidlanadiki, demak, ikkinchi savolimizga javob C varianti bo'ladi. Demak, you love history and would like to discover your country's traditions deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda culture quest camp, ya'ni bu yerda bu oromgohga tegishli ko'rinib turibdi. Demak, explore historical sites and local traditions in your country, join cooking workshops, folk dances and museum games deyilgan. Ya'ni bu to'liq, demak, history and would like to discover your country's traditions degan gaplarimizni to'liq tasdiqlaydi va 3-savolga to'g'ri javob demak E varianti deya ta'kidlanadi. To'g'ri. Keyingisi 4-savolga demak you would like to record the present and travel you would like to record and present travel videos or photos deyilgan. Ya'ni F varianti tanlanadi 4-matn uchun, ya'ni creative landscape. Bu yerda demak, aytib o'tilganda learn to take travel photos and make short vlogs and end of the week by showing your video at the travel show night deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda aniq record, present, ya'ni travel videos and photos haqida demak aniq tasdiqlab o'tilgan. Demak, 4-tekstimizga to'g'ri javob F varianti bo'ladi. 5-tekstimizga demak Adventure Survival Camp deyilgan. Bunga demak to'g'ri javob sifatida G varianti olinadi. Ya'ni you are interested in outdoor survival and shelter building deyiladi. Ya'ni You are interested. Discover emergency survival skills, build shelters and make fire without matches and find clean water degan demak jumlalar keltirib o'tilgan tekstda. Demak bu javob to'liq demak to'g'ri to'liq to'g'ri keladi. Demak 5-chi savolimizga to'g'ri javob J varianti bo'ldi. 6-chi tekstimizga demak A variantidagi demak you want to explore new places and use another language deyiladi. Ya'ni language journey camp. Bu yerda demak combine travel and language learning. Each day includes short trips and you will practice English deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda you will practice English deya demak language focus berilgan va you will explore new places deb demak to'liq hamma jihatlari ta'kidlab o'tilgan. Demak 6-chi savolimizga to'g'ri javob A varianti bo'ldi. 7-chi tekstimizda demak digital navigator camp deyilgan. Ya'ni bunga D varianti olib keladi. You want to create online travel content and digital maps deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda content yaratish haqida ketgan. Ya'ni digital plan a virtual trip using online maps and creative tools again. Learn to create travel content and interactive digital maps. Perfect for students who love computer and planning deyilgan. Ya'ni bu javob to'liq D variantiga to'g'ri keladi. Demak 7-chi savolimizga javob D varianti bo'ldi. 8-chi tekstimizda friendship voyage camp deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda you want to experience life on a boat and visit coastal places deyilgan. This is sailing themed camp. You will live on a boat, learn simple sailing commands and visit small coastal towns deyilgan bu tekstda. Demak, ushbu jumlalar demak to'g'ridan-to'g'ri H varianti to'g'riligini ta'kidlaydi. Demak 8-chi savolimizga to'g'ri javob H varianti bo'ladi. O'z-o'zidan oxiridagi you would like to train wild animals for adventure shows degan javobimiz ortiqcha hisoblanadi, chunki bundagi ta'kid etilgan wild animals va haqida hech qanday ma'lumot aytib o'tilmagan ushbu berilgan tekstlarda. Demak, xuddi shu matnlar asosida shakllantirilgan 9-10 savollarimizni tahlil qilib chiqamiz. Demak, 9-savolimizda what do Eco Explorer Camp and Culture Quest Camp have in common deyilgan. Demak, quyidagi ikkita camp, ya'ni Eco Explorer va Culture Quest Camp deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerdagi 3-chi va Eco Explorer 2-chi tekstlarimiz bir-biri bilan solishtirilgan va umumiy jihati so'ralgan. Demak, bu ikkala tekstni tahlilida demak A variantida they teach students how to write stories deyilgan. B variantida they focus on classroom lessons only. C variantida they include trips and practical activities. And they are about food preparation and dancing deya D variantida aytilgan. Demak, to'g'ri javob C varianti etib tanlandi. Demak, nima uchun? Eco Explorer campida demak it involves practical activitylar bor. Misol uchun, ya'ni amaliy mashg'ulotlar va sayohatlarni o'z ichiga olish kerak. Bu deganda demak test driver you will test the river water, collect plastic and record environmental data demak amaliy mashg'ulotlar aytib o'tilgan. Shuningdek visit recycling center deya demak trip ham qisqa sayohat ham bo'lib o'tish aytib o'tilgan. Culture Quest campda esa historical sites, local traditions you will explore deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda demak sayohat ham bor va cooking workshops, folk dances ham demak bu yerda amaliy mashg'ulotlar borligini aytib o'tadi. Demak 9-chi savolimizga to'g'ri javob C varianti bo'ladi. 10-chi savolimizda bo'lsa how is the adventure survival camp different from mountain challenge camp deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda yuqoridagi ikkita tekstimizdan ikkalasi solishtirilgan. Demak 10-chi savolimizdagi bularning ikkalasidan farqi nima deb so'ralyapti. A variantida it focuses on photography, ya'ni adventure survival camp farqi it focuses on photography and short films deya A varianti aytilyapti. B variantida it offers map reading and outdoor cooking. C varianti it includes beach games and swimming races. D varianti it teaches fire making and building shelters deyilgan. Demak, to'g'ri javob 10-chi savolimizga D varianti bo'ladi. It teaches fire making and building shelters bo'ladi. Ya'ni farqli jihati bu ikkinchi, ya'ni Mountain Challenge campdan Adventure Survival campda survival skills, ya'ni build shelters, make fire without matches, find clean water kabi mashg'ulotlar aytib o'tilgan. Mountain Challenge campda bo'lsa hiking, map reading, first aid berilgan. Lekin bu yerda o'sha shelter building yoki fire making haqida umuman gap ketmagan. Demak, bu Adventure Survival Camp'ı farklı jihati hisoblanadi. Demak, o'z-o'zidan D javob to'g'ri bo'ladi. B variantidagi demak xato hisoblanadi, chunki Mountain Challenge Camp teaches map reading, ya'ni Nice Camp demak hech qaysi bir oromgohda outdoor cooking haqida hech qanday ma'lumot bo'lmagani uchun demak D varianti noto'g'ri hisoblanadi va 10-test topshirig'imizga to'g'ri javob D varianti bo'ladi. In part 2 of the reading test, students should read 2 letters written by students to a magazine called Teen Voices. For questions 11 to 20, they should decide if the statement is true or false. So in their answer sheet, if the statement is false, they should write B. If the statement is true, they should write A. They are given 10 statements according to these two letters. Demek ikkita xat asosida Samira va Doniyor tomonidan yozilgan xat, ya'ni Teen Voices jurnaliga yozilgan ushbu xatlar asosida tuzilgan true false gaplarimizni to'g'rilab qo'yishlar kerak edi. Demak, o'quvchilar bu yerda demak agar gap to'g'ri bo'lsa A, noto'g'ri bo'lsa B varianti shaklida javob yozishlari kerak. Demak, variantlar tahlilini ushbu tekst bilan birga ko'rib chiqamiz. 11-chi demak gapimizda both projects were meant to change students' daily habits deyilgan. Ya'ni bu javob to'g'ri bo'ladi, chunki Samirani xatida I decided to make some changes. First I brought a metal water bottle, then I used a cloth bag instead of plastic one deyilgan. Ya'ni daily habitlari o'zgargan. Daniyor gapida ham introduced a new digital homework system where students must submit all their assignments online deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda ham submission habitlarni o'zgarayotganini ko'rib chiqamiz. Demak, bu 11-test topshirig'imizga to'g'ri javob A bo'ladi. 12-chi savolimizga demak Daniel believes digital homework has replaced traditional work in a fair and successful way deyilgan. Ya'ni bu narsa fair, juda ham oqilona va muvaffaqiyatli tarzda bo'ldi degan narsa. Demak, Daniel o'zini xatida some students don't have a good internet at home, and when a platform crashes, it makes deadlines very stressful for everyone deyilgan. Bu yerda ya'ni listing problems that contradict fairness and success, ya'ni o'sha muammolarni sanab o'tgan. Bu o'sha yana oqilona va muvaffaqiyatli bo'ldi degan gapga teskari qarama-qarshi ma'no yasaydi va shuning uchun 12-chi gapimiz xato bo'ladi va B javobi bilan belgilanadi. 13-chi gapimizda Samira's experience suggests that one person's actions can motivate others to act differently deyilgan. Endi bu gapimizda demak a few days later they became curious and joined me in saying no to plastic cups, and I felt that my small idea really made a difference deyilgan gap tekstning oxirida. Demak, shundan bilishingiz mumkinki 13-gapimizda demak bitta odamni harakatda boshqalarni motivatsiya qilishi mumkin degan gapimiz to'g'ri bo'ldi. Demak, 13-savolimizga to'g'ri javob A deb belgilanadi. 14-gapimizda Samira blames her school for not reducing plastic earlier deyilgan. Ya'ni Samira bu yerda o'sha maktabini plastik o'sha proyektini oldinroq shu narsani kamaytirishga oldinroq harakat qilmaganini ayblagan degan gap berilgan. Demak, bu gapimizga B varianti false qo'yilgan, chunki o'sha Samira in her letter focuses on her own initiative after school started no plastic week. Ya'ni o'sha Samira o'zini xatida demak o'sha no plastic degan o'sha haftalik e'lon qilingandan keyin o'zini xati bilan chiqqan va bu yerda o'sha oxirida bilishimiz mumkinki o'zini minnatdorchiligini bildirgan. Bu o'sha pozitiv bo'lgan harakat uchun, misol uchun I'm glad that a small effort led to a real change deya bu yerda bunga nisbatan ijobiy fikr bildirgan. Ya'ni bu yerda there is no mention of blame, ya'ni hech qanday bir ayblov haqida gap ketmagan. Demak, 14-gapimizga, savolimizga B shaklida to'g'ri javob yoziladi. 15-gapimizda Daniel concludes that digital homework has no serious problems deyilgan. Bu gapimiz demak ko'rinib turibdiki, after a few weeks new problems started to appear deyilgan. Doniyor haqida some students don't have a good internet, others spend a lot of time fixing the format. When platform crashes, it makes the deadlines uh, very stressful deya. Demak, bu yerda ba'zi bir muammolar, kamchiliklarni aytib o'tgan. Demak, bu gapimiz demak hech qanday muammolar bo'lmadi degan gapimiz xato bo'ladi va 15-chi savolimizga B variant, B deya to'g'ri javob yoziladi. 16-chi gapimizda Daniel worries that too much technology makes learning feel less personal deyilgan. Ushbu gapimizga demak javob tarzida these messages are fast, but they don't feel as personal as handwritten notes deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda I miss that human touch deya Doniyor bu yerda o'sha less personal bo'lib ketganligini ta'kidlagan va shuning uchun demak 16-chi gapimiz true deya to'g'ri javob A varianti yoziladi. 17-chi gapimizda both Samira and Daniel found their school project easy and problem free degan gapimiz. Bu yerda demak B false varianti tanlanishi kerak, chunki Samirani gaplari bo'yicha my friends laughed at me at the beginning saying that I was taking it too seriously deyilgan, ya'ni bu o'quvchilar tomonidan ustidan kulishgan. Ya'ni bu narsa oson va muammolarsiz bo'ldi degan narsaga qarama-qarshi Doniyor ham he details demak talks about he writes about multiple problems like poor internet, fixing file formats, platform crashes. Demak, bu yerda ham muammolardan xoli bo'lmaganligini bilishimiz mumkin. Demak, 17-chi gapimizga to'g'ri javob B bo'ladi. 18-chi gapimizda Samira's teacher's reaction shows that her small initiative inspired actions at a wider level deyilgan. Ya'ni bu gapimizni demak to'g'ri deb aytamiz, chunki soon our science teacher suggested creating a green team deyilgan. Ya'ni o'sha creating a team wider in organized action inspired by her, ya'ni o'sha her blog postidan o'sha ruhlangan tarzda bu narsani yanada kattalashtirish haqida gap ketgan. Shuning uchun bu gapimiz to'g'ri hisoblanadi. 19-chi gapimiz neither writer mentions fairness or inclusion in their letters deyilgan. Ya'ni hech qaysi bir o'sha yozgan xat egasi fairness va inclusionni bu gaplarda qo'shib aytib o'tmagan deyilgan. Doniyor gapida maybe we should mix online and paper tasks so that everyone feels included and supported deyilgan. Ya'ni inclusion support haqida Doniyor aytib o'tib ketgan, bitta neither writer degan gapimiz xato boshlangan, ya'ni hech qaysi bir emas, ya'ni Doniyor bu haqida gap aytib o'tgan. Shuning uchun 19-chi gapimizga to'g'ri javob B tarzida, ya'ni false deb belgilanadi. 20-chi gapimizda Doniyor supports digital learning only when it stays balanced with traditional methods deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda Doniyor gapida I just think that digital learning works best when it's balanced. Maybe we should mix online and paper tasks deyilgan gapimiz. Bu gapimizni demak tasdiqlaydi va 20-chi gapimizga to'g'ri javob A tarzida belgilanadi. In part 3 of the reading test, students should read the following text carefully and answer the questions from 21 to 30. The text is about Australia's age ban on social media and how it makes sense. And for the questions 21 to 25, the students should match the statements, the beginning of the statements to the ending. So for each statement, they should match the following questions. And there are 2 extra options they do not need to use. And next to each statement, they should write A or G according to the meaning. And after that, from 26 to 30, they should find the answers for these multiple choice questions according to this very text. Demak, 21-30 savolda ushbu matn asosida cho'zilgan. 21-25 demak topshiriqda berilgan demak statementlarni boshlari bor, gaplarni boshi va ularni davomini quyidagi description rules qismidan demak moslashtirib qo'shishlar kerak bo'ladi va 26-dan 30-gacha test topshiriqlari berilgan quyidagi demak matn asosida. Demak, savollar tahlilini ko'rib chiqamiz. demak ushbu matn asosida 21 ya'ni statementlardan birinchisi Australian psychologist deb nomlangan qismi. Australian psychologist degan joyga demak to'g'ri javob were the first to warn that social media can harm degan javobimiz to'g'ri keladi. Chunki birinchi paragrafimizda aytib o'tilgandek, demak ya'ni bu yerda demak psychologists across Australia have taken initiative to raise alarms about the harms of social media on young people degan joy bor. Demak, Australian psychologist deb qisqartirilgan bu joyi va C varianti o'z tasdig'ini topdi birinchi paragrafimizda. Va shuningdek, 21 savolga to'g'ri javob C varianti bo'ldi. 22 gapimizda demak University of Melbourne. Bu gapimiz demak ikkinchi paragrafda berib o'tilgan. Ya'ni research by University of Melbourne found that teenagers who spend more than 3 hours a day on social media are twice as likely to report anxiety and poor sleep deyilgan. Demak, bu narsa found that long screen and time can cause stress and sleep problems deyilgan va bu javob demak 22 test topshirig'iga A javob to'g'riligini tasdiqlaydi. 23 gapimizda France and Utah deyilgan, ya'ni bu yerda 3-paragrafimizda bu haqida gap ketgan, ya'ni France recently introduced a rule requiring parental permission and US state of Utah passed a similar law deyilgan. Bu gapimizdan ko'rinib turibdiki, demak France and Utah showed examples of how other places to protect children online deyilgan. Demak 23 gapimizga to'g'ri javob D varianti bo'ladi. 24-da demak Digital Rights Watch. Bu demak qismimiz 4-paragrafda berib o'tilgan. Ya'ni critics of the proposed ban, including the Digital Rights Watch group, argue that children must gradually develop independence online rather than be excluded completely deyilgan. Ya'ni say that young Digital Rights Watch say that young people should learn how to use the internet on their own degan gapimizga to'liq tasdiqlaydi paragrafning ushbu qismi. Demak, 24-gapimizga to'g'ri javob B bo'ladi. 25-da demak e-safety commissioners, bu gapimiz demak 4-paragrafimiz davomida berilgan. Ya'ni supporters of this ban, such as e-safety commissioner Julia Inman Grant, suggested the idea that there should be a safe mode versions of apps with no advertising and data tracking for teens deyilgan. Va bu gapimiz demak o'z-o'zidan e-safety commissioner supported the idea of developing safe apps for under 16s degan javobimizga to'liq mos keladi va 25-gapimiz to'g'ri javobi E varianti to'g'ri bo'ladi. Keyingi demak topshiriqlarga o'tamiz. 26-dan 26-dan 30-gacha bo'lgan test topshiriqlarimiz ushbu matn asosida shakllantirilgan. Demak, 26-savolimiz what can be inferred about Australia's reason for proposing ban deyilgan. A variantimiz the rule supports only local online platforms. B variantimiz the goal is to collect more data from young users deyilgan va C variant country wants to protect teenagers' mental health deyilgan. D variantimiz esa the plan is to block the internet completely deyilgan. Demak, variantlarimiz tahlilida tekstdagi ushbu qismi ya'ni birinchi paragrafda aytib o'tish bo'yicha supporters say that this law is necessary until social media companies take responsibility for their impact on mental health deyilgan. Demak, bu joyimizda harms of social media on young people demak resulting anxiety and poor sleep deya ikkinchi paragrafda ham bu qismi davom ettirilgan. Demak, ushbu ma'lumotlarga asosan 26-test topshirimizga javob the country wants to protect teenagers mental health degan demak C varianti to'g'ri bo'ladi. 27-test topshirig'imiz demak why are apps like Instagram and TikTok seen as a dangerous for teens deyilgan. Demak, users compare themselves and scroll endlessly degan javobimiz tanlangan. Chunki birinchi paragrafimizda platforms like Instagram and TikTok, Snapchat are designed to keep users scrolling for hours, often comparing themselves to others deyilgan. Ya'ni bu gapimiz demak they make users compare themselves and scroll endlessly degan gapimiz tasdig'i bo'ladi. Va 27-test topshirimizga to'g'ri javob A bo'ladi. 28-test topshirig'imizda what does the dimension of France and Utah show deyilgan. Bu narsa demak Fransiya va o'sha yutani ko'rsatish nimani bildiradi, nimani anglatyapti degan ma'noda. Demak, bu testimizga javob 3-paragrafda. Yana ya'ni o'sha example show that demak Australia isn't the first to take action in details rules introduced by friends, parental permission, and Utah limiting the screen time. Demek bu yerdan ko'rinib turibdiki, to'g'ri javobimiz demak other regions also take actions to protect young users degan. Demak, faqat Avstraliyada emas, boshqa davlatlarda ham bunday islohotlar olib borilyapti degan ma'noda. Demak, 28 test topshirig'imizga B javob to'g'ri bo'ladi. 29 savolimiz demak what can be inferred about digital rights watch opinion deyilgan. Demak, they argue that young users need no supervision deyilgan. They believe that all social media apps should be deleted deyilgan. C variantida esa they worry that the ban may limit freedom and learning deyilgan. C variantida esa they think that digital safety lessons are unimportant deb aytib o'tilgan. Demak, 29 test topshirig'imiz javobi 4-paragrafda aytib o'tilgandek, demak, Digital Rights Watch say a complete ban could limit freedom and make it harder for young people to learn digital skills degan javobimiz demak to'liq mos keladi. Shuning uchun demak 29-test topshirig'imizga to'g'ri javob C varianti, ya'ni they worry that the ban may limit freedom and learning degan javobimiz to'g'ri keladi. 30-savolimiz demak what does the text suggest about the large tech companies deyilgan. Bu savolimizga javob demak 2-paragrafimizda aytib o'tilgan, ya'ni bu yerda demak tech companies continue to collect data and profit from young users' attention deyilgan. Ya'ni o'sha despite the problems deyilgan. The final paragraph says that the ban is necessary and the social media giants accept responsibility deyilgan by improving the content filters, stopping harmful algorithms and protecting data kabi jumlalar. Demak, 30-savolimizga to'g'ri javobni D variantligini tasdiqlaydi. Demak, 30-savolimizda to'g'ri javob D varianti. They earn money while ignoring user safety degan javobimiz to'g'ri bo'ladi. Grammar and vocabulary qismida demak 3 ta qismdan iborat. Part 1 demak grammatik savollar. Part 2 da leksika, ya'ni o'sha vocabularyga oid savollar. 3-qismida esa quyidagi matnga berilgan boshliqlarga pastdagi so'zlarni to'liq formasida qo'yib yozishlari kerak bo'ladi. Demak, grammatik savollar tahlilini ko'rib chiqamiz. Demak, boshiga 10 ta savolda, demak, birinchi savolimiz the conclusion of discussions not reached a final point yet deyilgan gapimizda, demak, gapning egasi conclusion discussions emas. Shuning uchun u birlikda turgani uchun B va C, D variantlari chiqib ketadi, chunki ular ko'plikda. Demak, to'g'ri javobimiz A bo'ladi. Hasn't reached the final point yet degan ma'noda. Demak, birinchi test topshirig'imiz javobi A bo'ldi. Ikkinchi test topshirig'imiz javobi demak, the meeting was carried on manager's illness deyilgan, ya'ni menejerning kasalligiga qaramay. Demak, bu yerda to'g'ri javobimiz D varianti bo'ladi, chunki A, B va C variantlari o'zidan keyin subject verb, ya'ni ega kesimni talab qiladi va shuning uchun noto'g'ri hisoblanadi variantlarimiz. Demak, ikkinchi test topshirig'imiz javobi D bo'ldi. Uchinchi test topshirig'imizda demak wishli gaplar. I wish I had more time to prepare for the presentation. Demak, to'g'ri javob bu yerda D. A, C va D variantlari chiqib ketadi, chunki wishli gaplarda present va future zamonlari ishlatilmaydi. Demak, 3-test topshirig'imiz javobi B varianti bo'ldi. 4-test topshirig'imizda she is the only student in the class speaks 3 foreign languages deyilgan. Demak, studentga nisbatan, shaxsga nisbatan yagona student sinfda 3 ta tilda gapira oladigan degan ma'noda. Demak, who nisbiy olmosh ishlatiladi. Demak, bu yerda demak 4-test topshirig'imizda to'g'ri javob A varianti bo'ldi. 5-testimizda demak if he had been more careful then he wouldn't have made so many mistakes deyiladi. Ya'ni bu yerda natija qismida would have past participle shakli ishlatilgan fe'ling va bu 3-conditional qoidasiga to'liq mos keladi va ifdan keyin demak past perfect ishlatilishi kerak. 5-test topshirig'imizda demak to'g'ri javob B varianti bo'ldi. 6-test topshirig'imizda applicants send me the files if I open the access to the site deyilgan. Demak, bu yerda applicantsga nisbatan qarata aytilayotgan imperative, ya'ni o'sha buyruq gap hisoblanadi. Demak, ifdan keyin present simple va undan oldingi qism esa demak imperative shaklida, buyruq shaklida sent fe'lini o'zi ishlatilishi kerak. Demak, 6-chi test topshirig'imizda to'g'ri javob A bo'ldi. 7-chi test topshirig'imizda each singer and dancer were famous deyilgan. Demak, bu yerda gapning egasi each singer and dancer deyilganiga qaramay, demak, bu yerda each so'zi bilan ifodalangan, ya'ni bu aniqlovchimiz orqali ifodalangan har bir so'z demak, nima deydi, birlikda hisoblanadi. Yonida ya'ni ot bilan kelgan bo'lsa ham. Demak, to'g'ri javob 7-chi test topshirig'ida D varianti bo'ldi. The children are excited about their school trip deyilgan gapimizda demak, the children are excited about to'g'ri keladi, chunki boshqa prepositionda excited bilan birga ishlatilmaydi. Demak, 8-chi test topshirig'imiz javobi B bo'ldi. 9-chi test topshirig'imizda employees mustn't leave their personal belongings unattended in a laboratory anytime deyilgan. Demak, bu yerda to'g'ri javobimiz demak, mustn't to'g'ri javob bo'ladi. Qilishlari kerak emas, mumkin emas degan ma'noda. Demak, variantlar tahlilida B varianti don't need to demak shakliga bu yerda to predlogimiz tushib qolgan. Demak, don't have to bo'lishi kerak. Ought not to. Quyidagi variantlarda ham demak to shakli tushib qolgan. Demak, to'g'ri javob 9-chi test topshirig'iga A varianti bo'ladi. 10-chi test topshirig'imizda there are only people who know about the secret project deyilgan. Demak, bu yerda only a few degan ma'noda, juda kam degan ma'noda to'g'ri javob only a few bo'lishi kerak, chunki qolgan variantlar bu demak strukturaga to'g'ri kelmaydi. Demak, 10-chi test topshirig'imiz javobi a few bo'ldi. Ya'ni D varianti to'g'ri bo'ldi. For questions 11 to 20, choose the correct answer A, B or C. Demak, ushbu test topshiriqlarimiz vocabulary qismiga boshlangan. Demak, 11-chi savolimiz the good manager tries to confidence among the new employees deyilgan. Bu yerda block, weaken, build and discourage so'zlari berilgan. Demak, yaxshi menejer yangi ishchilar o'rtasida confidence, o'ziga ishonchni oshirishga harakat qiladi. Ya'ni o'ziga ishonchni hosil qilishga harakat qiladigan ma'noda. Demak, to'g'ri javobimiz C varianti bo'ladi. Demak, A, B va D variantlari bu teskari ma'no yasaydi. Demak, 11-chi test topshirig'imiz javobi C bo'ldi. 12-chi test topshirig'imiz javobida demak, regular balanced exercise can your mental health and physical health degan ma'noda. Demak, decline, spoil, enhance, disturb so'zlari berilgan. Demak, to'g'ri javob D, enhance so'zi bo'ladi. Qolgan gaplar vocabulary A, B va C variantlaridagi berilgan so'zlar qarama-qarshi ma'no yasaydi. Demak, 12-chi test topshirig'imiz javobi D bo'ldi. 13-chi test topshirig'imizda demak, speakers peaceful and gentle tone help to angry crowd degan, ya'ni scare, calm, irritate, confuse so'zlari berilgan. Demak, eng to'g'ri mos keladigan javob bu yerda calm bo'ladi, ya'ni tinchlantirdi, jahli chiqqan olomonni degan ma'noda. Demak, 13-chi test topshirig'imiz javobi B bo'ldi. 14-chi test topshirig'imizda company usually decides production after the increase in demand deyilgan. Demak, bu yerda kompaniya odatda production ya'ni ishlab chiqarishni interrupt, dismiss, reduce, expand fe'llaridan. Demak, to'g'ri javob bu yerda expand bo'ladi. O'stirishga demak harakat qiladi degan so'zimiz to'g'ri keladi. Demak, B, C va D variantlarimiz bu yerda xato bo'ladi. Demak, 14-chi test topshirig'imiz javobi A bo'ldi. 15-chi test topshirig'imizda demak, the teacher asked students to disregard, misinterpret, follow and overlook degan so'zlar berilgan. Demak, instructionni to'g'ri javob follow bo'ladi. Instructionlarga amal qilish degan ma'noda. Demak, 15-chi test topshirig'imiz javobi C bo'ldi. 16-chi test topshirig'imizda the profession teacher aims to new methods of improving motivation deyilgan. Ya'ni bu yerda hide, identify, mislead va ignore so'zlari berilgan. Demak, yangi metod motivatsiyani yaxshilashning yangi metodlarini demak identify o'ylab, ya'ni izlab topadi degan ma'noda, aniqlaydi degan ma'noda. To'g'ri javob 16-chi test topshirig'imizda B varianti bo'ldi. 17-chi test topshirig'imizda competent manager attempts to communication between departments deyilgan, ya'ni abstract, weaken, complicate, encourage so'zlari berilgan. To'g'ri javob demak D varianti encourage bo'ladi. Ya'ni o'sha departament, ya'ni bo'limlar o'rtasidagi muloqotni yaxshilaydi, rivojlantiradi degan ma'noda. 18-test topshirig'imizda students are usually encouraged to their own ideas to make active discussions deyilgan, ya'ni to express, hide, forbid and avoid deyilgan. To'g'ri javob demak mantiqan 18-test topshirig'iga ega bo'ladi. Ya'ni o'sha active discussion, ya'ni aktiv holatlar, ya'ni muhokamalarni yuzaga keltirish uchun demak ular o'zlarini ideyalarini, g'oyalarini ifoda etishadi degan ma'noda. 18-test topshirig'imiz javobi bo'ldi. Demak 19-test topshirig'imiz the doctor's advice helped your to worsen, decay, recover, decline from the operation quickly. Demak to'g'ri javobimiz bu yerda 19-test topshirig'ida recover bo'ldi. Recover from the operation quickly degan ma'noda. Demak qolgan javoblarimiz esa mantiqan demak qarama-qarshi bo'ladi. Demak 19-test topshirig'imiz javobi C bo'ldi. 20-test topshirig'imiz to reduce mistakes employees must obey, interpret, disregard, o'quv so'zlar berilgan. Demak to'g'ri javob bu yerda A variant bo'ladi, ya'ni obey safety rules, ya'ni o'sha xavfsizlik qoidalariga bo'ysunish degan ma'noda. 20-test topshirig'imiz javobi A bo'ldi. Demak, grammar and vocabulary qismimiz 3-qismida for questions 21 to 30, read the text below and put the appropriate word form of the words in capital. Demak, bu yerda katta bilan yozilgan har bitta so'zi, capital bilan yozilgan so'zi to'g'ri formasini, gapni ma'nosiga qarab qo'yib chiqishimiz kerak. Life on small islands has recently gained global. Demak, bu yerda berilgan gapga asosan demak noun kerak, chunki adjective global turibdi va the thing that has been gained ma'nosida demak gained global recognition deya, demak to'g'ri javob demak 21-savolga recognition bo'ladi. 22-savolda many families move there for the demak fascinate degan so'z berilgan, demak of the nature and slower rhythm of life deyilgan. Demak bu yerda noun kerak, chunki determiner the article bor va to name attractive quality, demak nature'ni demak many families move there for the fascination bo'lishi kerak, demak for the fascination of nature. Demak 22-savolimizga to'g'ri javob fascination bo'ldi. Such communities rely on high level of lead deyilgan, to high level of demak ofdan kelgan describe demak system or organization that requires for the community. Demak bu yerga ham noun kerak, high level of demak to'g'ri javob leadership bo'ladi. High level of leadership to organize islands life because the cooperation is essential when resources are limited. Demak bu yerda often take part in demak compete degan so'z berilgan, event so'zini oldidan events bu yerda noun va uni ta'riflab adjective ishlatirish kerak. Take part in competitive degan so'zimiz to'g'ri keladi. Demak to'g'ri javob 24-topshiriqqa competitive bo'ladi. Keyingisi running these communities finance so'zi berilgan, can be challenging. Demak running bu yerda adverb kerak, ya'ni to modify verb. Running so'ziga nisbatan demak to describe how these communities are run. Demak running these communities to'g'ri javob financially bo'ladi. Demak 25-topshirig'imiz javobi financially bo'ldi. Transport, education, healthcare require creativity more than demak creativity bu yerda demak noun kerak, chunki complete nima deydi contrastive phrase, ya'ni more than creativity demak bu yerda to'g'ri javob demak prosper so'zini noun holatiga qo'ysak prosperity bo'ladi, ya'ni wealth yoki o'sha success degan ma'no oladi. Demak 26-test topshirig'imizga javob prosperity bo'ldi. Still many say that living close to the ocean is every sunrise feels unique degan gapdan kelib chiqib, demak bu yerda to'g'ri javob adjective kerak, ya'ni complex every sunrise bu yerda unique degan so'zdan kelib chiqib, demak unpredictable degan ma'noda, predictable emas, inkor shakli unpredictable. Demak to'g'ri javob 27-topshiriqqa unpredictable bo'ldi. Visitors sometimes general demak degan so'zdan about island assuming that It's simple and easy degan ma'noda. Visitors sometimes demek generalize degan so'zimiz to'g'ri bo'ladi. Ya'ni bu yerda visitors gapning egasi va unga nisbatan fe'l shaklini olganimizda demak generalize so'zimiz to'g'ri keladi. 28 demek topshirig'imiz javobi generalize bo'ldi. 29-sida demek yet tourism signify the supported local culture and traditions demek yet tourism has supported degan so'zimizni demek fe'limizga nisbatan aniqlab kelish uchun modify the verb we use adverb. Demek how much tourism has supported the culture degan ma'noda demek to'g'ri javob bu yerda adverb shakli ishlatilishi kerak. Significantly degan so'zimiz to'g'ri keladi. Demek 29-topshirig'imiz javobi significantly bo'ldi. For most residents the sound of waves and fresh air bring lasting. Demek bu yerda lasting so'zi sifat va undan keyin noun ishlatilishi kerak. Please so'ziga nisbatan noun formasi demek pleasure bo'ladi. Demek to'g'ri javob bring lasting pleasure bo'ldi. Demek 30-topshirig'imiz javobi